Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the crystal systems. Okay. So now there are 32 class of crystal systems based on their geometrical considerations. When we say geometrical consideration, that means depending on their symmetry and also the internal structures. But it is a common practice to divide all the crystal system 7 groups. Okay, and what are these? And depending on the lattice parameters. So what are the lattice parameters? Lattice parameters is nothing but the intercepts which the crystal system makes on the xy axis, xyz axis are called the intercepts, and the angles between the intercepts alpha, beta, gamma. They define 3 different crystal systems. What are they? One is cubic, second is tetragonal, third is orthorhombic, fourth is monoclinic, fifth is triclinic, sixth is trigonal, seventh is hexagonal. So now this all 7 crystal systems will discuss their properties. Okay. Now the first is the cubic crystal system. Okay, I hope you all can see the book clearly. Okay, I hope it's visible. Now in the cubic crystal system we have A is equal to B is equal to C, which I have already discussed in your last video, and the angle between them alpha, beta, gamma is 90 degree. This is the angle example of a cubic crystal. Okay, the crystal axes are perpendicular to one another. That means all this A, B and C all are perpendicular to each other, and they also make same angles, okay, along the 3 axes. Cubic lattices may be simple, body centered or face centered. That means I can also have lattice points on its faces, or there can be one lattice point inside this crystal system, and also it can be at the corners. So that means a cubic crystal system can have 3 different type of, can have 3 different you can say 3 different arrangements. So lattice may be simple. Simple means when points are only at the corners. Body centered, when it's body centered, when also inside in the middle of the body centered. Face centered when it's called face centered when I have lattice points at all the faces. Okay. Now next is the tetragonal crystal system. This is the diagram where alpha is equal to B, but it's not equal to, sorry, not alpha, A. Here I have already noted that this is A, this is B, this is C. Here you can see A is equal to B, but it's not equal to C. Similarly, but all the angles are again 90 degree. So this is a tetragonal crystal. Similarly, tetragonal system also can have both simple or body centered. Okay. Third is the orthorhombic crystal system. In orthorhombic we have A not equal to B, not equal to C. This is orthorhombic. Here A is not equal to B, nor it is equal to C, but all the angles are 90. So the crystal axes are perpendicular to one another, but repetitive intervals are different along all the 3 axes. Orthorhombic lattices may be simple, base centered, body centered or face centered. So you already know what is simple, body centered and face centered. And base centered is if it has only a lattice in the base. Okay. Next is monoclinic crystal system. This is the diagram of a monoclinic crystal system. Here A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. You can decide from the diagram itself. And alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree, but gamma is not equal to 90 degree. So monoclinic lattices may be simple or base centered. Next is triclinic. Triclinic crystal system. In triclinic, A is not equal to B and its are equal, and alpha is not equal to beta, it's not equal to gamma, and they are not equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now sixth one is the trigonal, sometimes also called rhombohedral. Okay, this is the diagram. Here A is equal to B is equal to C, but alpha, beta, gamma are not equal to 90 degree. And you can see all the angles are always greater than 90 degree, that is they are inclined. Seventh is the hexagonal crystal system. Here A is equal to B, but it is not equal to C. Alpha, beta, gamma, sorry, there is a mistake. Alpha is equal to beta and they are 90 degree, but gamma is 120 degree. Two of the crystals axes are 60 degree apart, while the third is perpendicular to both of them. The repetitive intervals are the same along the axis, that are 60, but the interval along the third axis is different. So the seventh system in table. So this I will pick and upload it in your Google Classroom. Okay. So today in this class we have studied all different crystal systems. Okay. So this is, in this video we have discussed the different crystal systems. So,